Hi, welcome to the video 16 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn how to link and unlink the audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start now. As you can see, I added some of the audio clips here. I want you also learn. So just drag and drop any of the video clip into the timeline. So this is the new clip, as you can see. So right now I actually enabled this snap in timeline mode, as well as this also it should be enabled. Then only whenever you select any clip, it makes a highlight like this. So to unlink this, select the clip, right click and choose unlink. Easy, right? That simple it is. So now you can freely move the audio clip or video clip, whatever you like. But make sure this option linked selection is enabled. Now to link any audio and video, select the clips, the both clips, audio and video, right click and choose link. Now these two clips are linked, but here it is not selecting both at a time. Do you know the reason? The reason is I actually disabled this linked selection. If you enable this, now as you can see, both are highlighted. That's it guys. This is how you can link and unlink the audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro. See you again in the next class.